Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of Dyson's Omni-Glide Cordless Vacuum because it's really not only versatile and powerful, it's also a great investment if you've got tile and hardwood floors and you're just wanting something to quickly clean up messes effortlessly. It's like a lightweight cordless vacuum. It weighs like under 5 pounds. It's got a 20-minute runtime and it's really perfect for quick and effective daily cleanups in the kitchen, bathrooms, or really wherever you might have like hardwood floors, tiles, or tabletops. And it comes with a couple of swappable heads and a unique mounting and charging station for it as well. So we got this vacuum for a couple of reasons. The first, honestly, is just because we were looking for a vacuum that was hassle-free and we could just keep in our kitchen, in our pantry for daily messes. The second reason is because we've got kids who are constantly making those messes, especially in and around the chairs at our dining room table. And so we wanted something that was like a really easy and high functioning articulating neck to like swoop and swivel in around those chairs and pick up all of their debris, the crumbs and stuff like that. And 3, because we have a dog who is awesome, but he sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also to like remove the pet hair that collects in the corners of rooms and then specifically underneath furniture. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just stop watching this now and go buy this vacuum. It's really great for all 3 of those purposes. But if you need further convincing, let us jump into the swappable heads. Starting out with their dual brush bar omnidirectional cleaner head. So this is your workhorse. You'll use this probably 99% of the time. It works on hardwood floors and tile, with both brush bars actually being removable to be washed and then cleaned and ready to use later. But what's crazy about this is that it feels like it floats and just maneuvers around obstacles. So whether those be chairs, your dining room, or in and around furniture, like I don't have to put any effort into maneuvering this thing in any direction that I want it to go. It just glides around and it picks up everything with just like a simple twist of my wrist. And it does wonders in reaching under like furniture and I feel it does a great job, even better than most other vacuums because of its like articulating neck. So the head actually remains flat all the way under the furniture to pick up everything as I'm trying to vacuum in and around it. Then you have the 2-in-1 brush, or what Dyson calls the combination tool. Simply pressing this button retracts back the brush head and then reveals a crevice tool for simply picking up debris in like small corners. And then with the brush head being great for removing dust from what I call like sensitive surfaces on furniture. Then we move on to the Cyclone itself, which provides you access to the filters, the dustbin, the battery, and the power. Now, the power button is actually on the top of the handle near the filter. And then when pressing it, it actually activates the Cyclone. And then it's got another button right next to it. And if you press that one, it'll go into like turbo boost mode for like more powerful suction. Then to access the filters, you simply rotate this purple part here, turning it counterclockwise, and then you just simply pull it off. You'll take this part, you'll run it under water and rinse it off and let it air dry for like 24 hours. And then you simply insert it back on, and then you rotate the purple part actual clockwise until it like locks into place, and then you're good to go. So on a full charge, I can do this entire entry area, this little mud room, this little powder bath, all of our dining room and our kitchen. We got a pantry over there too. And then also our master bathroom. The bathroom upstairs is also tile, and then our master bedroom. I like to do it right after our kids have eaten dinner, just because it's like a nice way to like clean up our main floor before like heading to bed. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So the way you do it is you simply grab this little lever here, you do so over a trash can, and then you just push it towards the end of the Cyclone, and then it'll open up a lid and you empty out the dust. And then just giving it a simple pats will empty out the remaining of it. You close the lid, retract the whole dustbin back up into the Cyclone, and then you're good to go. And then charging is pretty simple as well. So you'll simply take this little plug and you'll plug it into the port found here within the handle. And then the battery will start to pulsate at the end, indicating that it's charging. And then also you can actually remove the entire battery from the handle and charge that by itself as well, which is really nice. Like I said, it's really easy to use and maneuver under and in and around furniture. It can quickly vacuum up like my entire downstairs and provides me the option of like transforming it really into like a handheld to like remove debris and crumbs from like countertops and tables and stuff throughout our kitchen. So it takes about an hour to fully charge it, and its nifty little filters are washable and reusable, so you don't have to like buy extra filters, which saves money, it saves time, and also saves hassle. So yeah, it's great. especially because I think of that versatility of the dual brush bar omnidirectional cleaner head, because that thing smoothly navigates under and around furniture to pick up dust, debris, and crumbs without having to expend like a ton of effort in ways I have never experienced using other vacuums. So yep, that's my product review of the Dyson's Omni-Glide Cordless Vacuum. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Over and out.